With TMCC1, you have a Cab 1 remote.
Welcome to the Trainz Academy. Today, we'll guide you through the key steps to make the most out of your learning experience. Let's get started. Signing up for Trainz Academy is quick and easy. Visit academy.trainz.com, click on the Sign Up button, fill in your details, including your full name, email address, and desired password. Then click Sign Up to create your account. Please confirm your email to fully activate your account. You can do this by clicking the link in the email confirmation we'll send to you. You're now ready to access the course offerings. Log into your account. Browse the available courses and select the one you want to access. You'll be directed to the course page where you can click the Start Lesson button.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Lionel Modern Era Locomotive Service course that we're bringing to you from Trainz.com. And we have brought the expert in, Mike Reagan, who is going to do all of the high-tech stuff to help you understand how to diagnose, troubleshoot, and repair your modern era Lionel locomotives. Welcome, Mike. Glad to have you here.
Each module will guide you through the intricacies of model train repair, building upon the knowledge gained in the previous sections.
Right, the little red LED is going to light up. You hit direction, it's going to go off.
As you progress through the course, you'll come across section quizzes to test how much knowledge you've absorbed. To pass a section quiz, you need to achieve a grade of at least 75%. Once you've completed all the sections and passed the final exam, you'll have access to additional course materials. To view and download the extra course materials, simply click on the provided download button. Congratulations! After successfully completing the course, you will receive a certificate of completion. To download your certificate, navigate to your completed course and look for the Download Certificate option. We understand that circumstances may change. If you need to request a refund, here's how you can do it. Refunds are available if requested before starting Section 2, PS2 of the Repairing MTH Trains course, or before starting Section 3, Lionel Motor Drivers of the Repairing Modern Era Lionel Trains course. You must initiate the refund request within 30 days from the original date of purchase. To request a refund, please contact our customer support team, and they will assist you further. And there you have it! You're now ready to embark on your journey of becoming a skilled model train repair technician with Trainz Academy. Start by enrolling in your preferred course today and unlock the world of Lionel and MTH repairs. Happy learning!
Trainz.com, making dreams come true, one train at a time.